With the Supreme Court questioning the delay by Manipur Governor La Ganeshan over the issue of disqualification of 12 parliamentary secretaries, the Congress party has expressed hope that justice would be served in their favor. Yesterday, the Supreme Court observed that the governor of Manipur cannot delay taking a decision on the opinion given by the Election Commission of India regarding the disqualification of 12 BJP MLAs of Manipur Assembly in the Office of Profit issue. Well, the observation becomes significant as the current assembly in Manipur is set to expire within a month. Reacting to the Supreme Court observation, Manipur Congress spokesperson K.H. Devabrata said that while the matter is sub judice in the apex court, they are hopeful that the final decision will go in their favor.
It is difficult to comment anything prejudicially at the moment because it is sub judice now. Regarding the remark made by the Honorable Supreme Court, it is very right. I must say to that level only. It is right. Justice will be delivered tomorrow.
Well, the ruling BJP, on the other hand, has stated that the final decision on the matter has to be taken by the governor. Well, and state BJP spokesperson R.K. Samarjit stated that currently Governor La Ganeshan is in New Delhi and he would be returning back to Manipur in a few days, after which a decision is expected.
Yesterday, His Excellency the Governor of Manipur left for Delhi, maybe for the purpose, but we have a parliamentary board over there. They might discussion on this matter thoroughly, and whatever the governor's decision comes up, it will be followed accordingly. Let us see which way the wind will be blow up, because the Excellency will arrive as soon as within 2 days, and let him express his feeling and exercise accordingly.
Well, the BJP spokesperson further stated that they are not worried about numbers in the assembly if the decision goes against them. Samarjit said that they have done their calculations and they have adequate numbers even if some heads fall.
The ball goes up to the Delhi, so let the Delhi people will think it whether it is right or wrong or whatever it say. But according to the calculation, we are in the greater position. Only I just mentioned it. In that case, I didn't say that we will shape the government, this and that, whatever. It is nothing. But so far as my own concern, numbering game is there. There is no panic in the state of Manipur. That much I want to express it.
Yesterday, the Supreme Court bench made the observation while hearing a writ petition by Manipur Congress MLA D.D. Thaisei. The writ petition states that 12 members of the Manipur assemblies were appointed as parliamentary secretaries, which are offices of profit. The 12 members of the Manipur assembly may hence face disqualification from the assembly as they occupied offices of profit, and it reportedly incurred disqualification under Article 191 of the Constitution.